Hi children, this is Miss Villa here. Okay, today I'm going to teach you on the subject of phonics, and the topic we're going to do is the EA sound, the E sound. It's called diagraph sound. Okay, diagraph. Okay, diagraph is a two-letter that makes one sound. Okay, yeah. Look at your textbook. Okay, this is the EA is E sound. Okay, say after me, E. 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 Okay, let's look at the words over here with the pictures. Okay, the first picture is beans. Okay, beans. Beans. Got it? Okay, next one. Look at the picture. Okay, what it is? Leaf. 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 Next one. What picture is this? Let's read the word meat. 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 It's a meat. Okay, next one. Seal. 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 It's a seal. Okay, next one. Look at the picture. T. So it's a T. Alright? Next one. Read. Read. The boy is reading. Okay? Next one. Look at the picture. Beach. 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 It's a beach. Let's look at this picture. What it is? Peach. 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 It's a peach. Let's look at the words down here below. Let's go one by one. Beak. I repeat. Beak. Next one. Eat. Again. Eat. It. Next one. Jeans. 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 Next one. C. Next one. Clean. Clean. Okay, children. The EA sound is a long E sound. So you got to drag E. Alright? So let's look at the next sentence. It's a short, simple sentence. Can you follow me? Look at the picture. Okay, who are they? B and the Dean are at the beach. Beach. B and Dean are at the beach. So B and Dean are at the beach. Next one. The beach is clean. The beach is clean. Okay, the beach is clean. Next one. They see a ship sailing on the sea. I repeat. They see a ship sailing on the sea. They see a ship sailing on the sea. They see lots of seashells on the beach. I repeat. They see lots of seashells on the beach. They see a lot of seashells on the beach. They pick up some of the seashells. They pick up some of the seashells. They pick some of the seashells. Okay, children, I hope you can follow me. Let's look at your practical for more practical exercise.